Lore, lore, lore. What was the lore? What was the lore? Oh, why am I having this discussion suddenly outside under this really dimly lit lamppost at the middle of the night? No reason at all. You got a lore to sell? Hey Bobas, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mari, and today I wanted to talk about VTuber lore. I see so many VTubers spending a lot of time working on their character's lore, and that is amazing. Some VTubers have actually showed me their lore, and I'm just literally reading pages upon pages about their character's background and story, and I don't know, I just find it incredibly fascinating to see how creative some of you are. The amount of time and hours spent crafting your VTuber's OC is already a workload, but then to topple on actual lore for your character? Wow, you must be some sort of VTuber extraordinaire. Can I, borrow some of those creative brain juices? Bounce some ideas off each other? Now, you see, I'm not creative in that sense. I'm someone who excels in visual representation, but I fail at storytelling. So, I don't really have a lot of lore from my VTuber. I kinda do, but I hope you all realize that lewd things like hand-holding, hugging, kissing, that's all gonna get you sent to jail, okay? Alright? And you don't want me to drag you there. So be on your best behaviors, okay? It's honestly a huge work in progress, and even though I already debuted, sometimes I can't help but to get a little bummed out because I didn't spend more time working on my lore, especially seeing how amazing other VTubers' lores are. But Mari, we aren't going down the comparing apples to oranges in the VTuber rabbit hole, okay? If you're feeling the same way as me, well, I just wanted to let you know that having lore for your VTuber is stellar and all, and yeah, it can greatly enhance your viewer base's immersion of your character and the whole world that you live for your content creation. But it isn't necessary to have. You can continue being a VTuber without any sort of character lore and build on it as time goes on. Some people are just simply hey, I'm a high schooler that is, secretly a magica girl. And that's really it. And they just continue their entire VTuber career with just that. And that's perfectly okay. I really love this one comment I saw on a Reddit post about VTuber lore. And it goes a little something like this. Of course, the idea that VTubers are these otherworldly, anime-like characters that came to life is a huge part of their appeal. But anime characters aren't all ninjas and pirates. What makes anime characters and VTubers so ideal and dreamy isn't so much of what they are, but how they act, speak, and behave. So what's important isn't what role you play, but how well you play it. I just really liked this comment a lot because I resonate with that idea. If you want to spend a lot of time writing about your lore, then great. Take all the time and energy you need to write that novel, but don't let it get overbearing or burn you out. I've been seeing some posts on my timeline lately of people not even wanting to work on their VTuber lore because of how stressful it is and all this pressure that viewers are giving for these content creators to shell out this lore. Honestly, if you're someone who has been kind of antsy about a VTuber's lore, try to take a breather. Not everyone is as creative in writing and narrating a whole story, so be patient. Having lore is not what defines you as a VTuber. Like I said, it can help make your audience feel more immersed in your VTuber world or relate to your character, but it won't make or break you. I hope this video can stimulate a discussion about VTuber lore. I really love reading about a character's background story, and I think it would be a lot of fun to showcase some VTuber lore in some future videos. Maybe one of these days we can have a lore showcase for me. What do you think, Bobas? Would you be interested in me making a mini-series on VTuber lore? Let me know in the comment section down below, especially if you're a VTuber and would love me to showcase your lore sometime. Alright, thank you so much for watching, Bobas. Don't forget to leave a like and to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more VTuber related content. I'll see you all around in the next video. Bye!